Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be discussing how to slim down with a delicious and nutritious plant-based diet. If you're looking for a healthy and sustainable way to reach your weight loss goals, you're in the right place. What is a plant-based diet? A plant-based diet is a way of eating that emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods that come from plants. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. A plant-based diet is not only delicious, but it's also one of the healthiest diets you can follow. Benefits of a plant-based diet. There are many benefits to following a plant-based diet, but when it comes to weight loss, there are a few key reasons why it's so effective. First, plant-based foods are typically lower in calories and higher in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. This means you'll naturally eat less and make healthier food choices. Additionally, plant-based diets are often high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for good health and weight management. Making the switch. Making the switch to a plant-based diet can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals and gradually reducing your intake of animal products. Try new recipes and experiment with different ingredients to find what you like. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. Staying on track with a plant-based diet can be challenging, but there are a few tips that can help. First, plan your meals in advance so you always have healthy options available. Second, keep healthy snacks on hand, such as cut-up vegetables or fruit, to help curb cravings. Third, find a support system, whether it's friends, family, or an online community, to help keep you motivated. Making it delicious. One of the biggest misconceptions about a plant-based diet is that it's boring and unsatisfying. But with a little creativity, you can make delicious, satisfying meals that are also good for you. Try new recipes, experiment with spices and herbs, and use plant-based substitutes for your favorite animal-based products. You'll be amazed at how delicious plant-based eating can be. Exercise. In addition to eating a nutritious diet, exercise is also an important part of any weight loss journey. Try to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, whether it's a walk, yoga, or strength training. Exercise not only helps you burn calories, but it also improves your overall health and well-being. Conclusion. In conclusion, slimming down with a delicious and nutritious plant-based diet is achievable and sustainable. By incorporating more whole, unprocessed plant-based foods into your diet and finding ways to make them delicious and satisfying, you can reach your weight loss goals in a healthy and enjoyable way. Remember, it's a journey, and progress, not perfection, is what counts. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to give plant-based eating a try.